according to the article, The Education of the Future, it states there are many K-12 schools and higher education institutions have reported seeing in many gains of comparing the current schools students' test score with the peer test score and classmate without the iPads. I'm for students to change to use the tablet learning instead of the traditional textbooks. I have an experience of being a student, carrying a lot of textbooks to the campus, which is really heavy for me, and these textbooks are really easy to be broken. Today, I would like to introduce the 3 positive effects of learning from the tablets. They are the cost-effective, convenient, and is more developed. According to the research, it says, once the textbook goes digital, the price of the print will be disappeared, so it will result in as much as possible 60% for school district. The original price for each tablet is around $250 for each. Once the school buys it, it will drop to $150 for each and advanced technology. About the future savings, it will result in savings for students. Per students have like $60, which we will consider that there are more than 48 million students in public school, so it will equals to 3 billion in savings. About the convenient, in the past, the student used to have a class or have access for a book to get the help and the knowledge. But for now, if they try to use the tablet learning, they can get the resources and the needs easily compared with before. So that would be much easier for them to getting the resources they really need for now. And once we talk about the digital textbooks, we are not just talking about giving students e-readers for no longer to carrying the full backpack, which is around 50 pounds, and full with the textbooks which are out of date. And also, it is well developed. The research side, even though the development of the digital textbooks developed in pocket around the country, but actually the development of it is not widespread and school or in many areas. So there is a group of people still use the textbooks which are 7 to 10 years old, and meanwhile the history book they use don't even cover the 911. Tablets allow students to have the learning process for playing their streets. Also, it provides an opportunity for students to learn how to use the electronic device like the tablets for their future study. So introducing this as an educational tool is really helpful and for students and help them to setting up their future career succeed. Today I introduce the 3 positive effects of using the tablets for learning. They are the cost effective and the convenient and the development. So once the school employees to use tablets for learning, not only the students can benefit from it, but also the professors, the teachers, the whole society can benefit from it. So I think students should change to use the tablet learning instead of the traditional textbooks.